That was Luca. I didn't.
Bold, man.
That was Luca. He gave me the
People
wrong
people are gonna laugh at you for this one.
Oh, whatever. They can laugh all they want. Sometimes you miss a hole, man. This is nuts. Like, it's strong, dude.
Yeah, it's very strong and it's very light. Literally like 2 fingers.
Yeah. Ooh, watch out for that sharp nails.
Okay. So, put the frame in, and then we're gonna be finishing this tomorrow most likely. So we're gonna put some chicken wire. We're gonna be putting what else?
Wire or whatever. I don't know. Maybe.
Chicken wire, and that's it. Oh, we gotta drill holes for aerodynamics.
We also gotta sand the bottom of these.
Gotta sand the bottom, and we have
to
clear coat them.
Yeah.
So not much, a couple hours tomorrow.
No.
But
I'm gonna do a really disgusting paint job. I got white and
you're gonna paint white?
White and blue. I'm gonna do like an Arctic camel on the whole thing.
I thought you were just gonna leave it wood.
No, Arctic. I have stain. We can stain it if you really want.
Yeah, that's better.
You can stain it
Yeah,
brown.
stain it.
Yeah.
Then we get clear coated after.
No, clear coat the bottom. Clear coat, sand the bottom, clear coat the bottom. Everything else can get a greasy stain.
In the center.
Okay, now put that in half.
Check it. What are we cutting it?
I'm joking.
Well, the edge of that is centered.
Okay. Am I going in the right way this time? A real,
You need an impact.
I need a real bit.
You need an impact. Alright. So now we got this. We're gonna put in the two supports and finish it off tomorrow. Because I'm kinda done with this right now.
It's like solid though. It's like pretty solid.
Yeah, and it's still light.
And it's still lightweight.
So it's not that bad.
Yeah. I think it's definitely lighter than my other one. Probably.
If you guys don't like this design right now, blame him. I got nothing to do with it.
Alright guys, it's day 2. We finished up last night and we just did the frame. So today we're gonna stain it, and then I think I'm gonna sand it down first and sand the bottom of it, and then we're gonna stain it. After we're done staining it, we're gonna put the chicken wire on, maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We'll see how fast this stain dries. But first thing I gotta do is I gotta take this off. I don't know what Luca was thinking when he did this last night. He's not that good with tools, I don't blame him. Anyway, so I don't have a cutting disc because, well, I do have a cutting disc, but it's somewhere and I don't want to go find it. So we're gonna just, you know, just be greasy with the grinding disc right now and hope that doesn't fly out. All right, see you guys in a bit. Okay, guys, so we just grinded off this bad boy right here, nice and flat and smooth. And then we also grinded off some other screws that were like poking through on this side here and that side there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand this whole thing with real fine grit, especially on the bottom here. You know, God knows how old these skis are. So we're gonna sand it down, see any cracks in there, and then we're gonna spray it with some of that clear coat. And then before we do that, I think we're just gonna stain the whole entire thing. That way it won't, you know, rot in all the icy snow conditions, and give it a nice protective layer at the very least. Espresso coffee or whatever I think it's called.
Alright, let me show you what we got here. We got this so far. Oh, it's a little dark, we just stained it. So all we really have to do now is put on that chicken wire. And suffer a little bit.
Maybe
We're
put
almost
a border up in here, I'm not sure.
We might put a little border, but That's it, dark brown. We're not going to paint the skis. Probably just
keep them retro.
Yeah.
Looks nice.
Alright, so this is not really fully loaded because we don't have our Aqua View and Fishfinder, but this is mimicking it right here.
Maybe
So
another
we put
box.
some plates here. We're going to have another box here. And then we got another plastic plate there to hold that. And even when we take it off, we could actually use it for cooking and stuff. And here we got some little hooks here to keep it strapped down. We got the chairs and the tent also in there. Sorry for the lighting's terrible in here. That's why it looks so bad. Same on the other side. Here's the auger. We need to also buy more bungees for the middle. And then we also have some room for fish and stuff like that. But that's it for now. We do have to add 2 more rings right here, which I think I got inside, but yeah, that's it. Should we take it out in the snow? We should just do it. We should take it out. We should take this out in the snow. Just push it. No? Okay, that's tomorrow. No, I'll make a short out of it. I'll make shorts. Alright, so that's all I'm going to show you guys for today. I hope you guys really like this video. I'm going to be finishing it up a little later. We still have some stuff to add. So make sure you guys subscribe so you guys can see that. I'll post some shorts of us finishing it and us using it and testing it out. But right now, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and
Keep fishing.
keep fishing.